Hi guys. People always ask me, did you even have a baby? And honestly, I understand why they ask that. But the truth is, my body didn't just stay like this. I was very intentional. During my pregnancy, I focused a lot on one thing, moisture. Every day I make sure my belly stay deeply hydrated, not just once, but consistently. I kept my body moving and I walk a lot and I stay active with a simple and regular exercise. After giving birth, I didn't rush. First, I focused on lymphatic massage, especially around my stomach area. I helped my body move things out naturally. At the same time, I kept my skin hydrated always. And then slowly I add exercise back in. And I also kept my routine simple. I eat at regular times. I don't snack randomly. I usually eat lunch and dinner, no breakfast for me. And I try to keep my food clean, less sugar, less oil, more natural. But honestly, the biggest thing isn't one product or one workout. It's consistency. So small daily habits done over and over again, that's what really changes your body. You don't need to do everything perfectly. Just start small and stay consistent. Your body will follow.